Aside the method I showed us in our last video on how to handle errors, there's also a way you can handle errors based on the inbuilt functions in Microsoft Excel. We use the inbuilt error checking to check out for errors and also fix them in our data. Let's check that out.
So in our last video, I forgot to share how that we can also use the inbuilt error checking to check for errors or to handle errors in Microsoft Excel. I only taught us how we can, understand the error types that we have and also how to fix them or change their appearance using if error and if NA. But another way you can check those errors is using the inbuilt error checking in Microsoft Excel. And how do you do that? You can find this in the formula tab. Let me highlight or select the column I want to work with that contains my errors. In my formula tab, inside the formula editing group, you see the command called error checking. So if you don't really understand what those error looks like or what they mean, you can just come to your formula editing group in your formula tab and click on the drop down button side error checking. So error checking, I'll click on error checking. So now you can see the error checking dialog box is currently telling us everywhere you have error in this column, it will highlight, the cell becomes active. You can see error in cell H8. It's telling us we have error here. And what is the error? It shows us the formula and also tells us that divide by 0 error. The formula or function used is dividing by 0 or empty cell. So do you want to get help? That's the help you're getting at the error. Do you want to show the calculation step? Or you want to ignore the error and just move on? Or you want to edit the formula to show you where to edit? So if you choose, okay, let's say you want to, what else do you want to do? Next, you want to check the next error in that same column. Click on next and you get to see the type of error. It tells you what that error is. A value used in the formula is of the wrong data type. You move to the next, tells you what kind of error the next one is. So you don't have to put those the meaning for those type of errors in your head. You can always use your error checking to do that. But it's good that you know it. It's good you have an idea of what those error means. It's telling you, okay, this is value not available error. A value is not available to the formula or function. So you get to see the meaning of those errors. It shows you the type of error that you have in your data and what that error means. That's what your error checking will do for you. Okay, so another way again you can find out if you want to also trace where your error is coming from. Just highlight the whole. What if I want to just trace where this error is coming from? The one for name. You don't forget it's for summing this name. I try to sum all this. So to hit enter, select this cell. In my formula tab, still in the error checking, click on this drop down button and select trace error. So it's telling me that my error came in while I was trying to sum up this column. That's why you're seeing it. So if I want to remove these lines on my data here on this table, just go back, select it, see formula tab, so you can see remove arrows. So I'll remove the arrows and I don't have them. So these are the ways that you can check your errors in Excel. Inbuilt way of checking your errors in Microsoft Excel. So that's that on this video. We'll meet in our next video. Bye.